Door systems basically installed all the fire curtains from inside the clerestory on the 3rd floor and the 2nd floor, and all the elevator fronts. Went off without a hitch with the fire department, which was really nice to see, because sometimes you normally have problems with a curtain of this size or magnitude, because I have never, in my 35 years of my career, never put one in this big, 45 foot in length. Door systems was great to deal with, easy to communicate with, call them out, they're there within 24 hours. Get what you need done, accommodating. They even came by and checked on some of the cladding that we got going on right now, because they still have a couple parts and pieces that they still need to install, but they've been here like once a week just to double check. I would recommend them to any other contractor.